Hey everybody, my name is Travis, and I just recently received something in the mail about maybe a day or two ago. But before I get into this, let me give you some context as to how I acquired this item. So, my Acer laptop that has been with me for about 10 years, the fans are spinning, but when you use the laptop normally, the fan stops spinning, which causes the laptop to get hotter. And when it gets to a certain point where it gets super hot, eventually it will just shut the laptop down due to overheating. And the fans at no point kick on when they should. So that's where this baby comes in. This baby is the Opolar laptop cooler. This is pretty much an exhaust fan that you attach to your laptop, so that way you can go ahead and push more air out of the system. So let's go ahead and find out, see what goodies are inside this machine. So first things first, we got ourselves a manual. That might be useful. And depending on your laptop size, get to that. We got our rubber grommets. So we got our like small, medium, and large. So there you go, small, medium, large. We have our USB, I believe that is a type B connector right there. And this is for, I guess, if you have a slick surface. These are like little suction cups where you can, stick it in place. And of course, this is the actual metal piece that goes there. And you can use the 3M tape to kind of stick it. It has a little dust filter as well as 4 little feet. Alright. And right here we have the Opolar unit itself. Let's go ahead and take it out. Oh, perfect. So already off the bat, it's a nice, pretty big unit. You have your up and down, I want to say volume rocker or volume knobs, but they're not. So I opted in for the $30 variant, which is the one that has an LED out or an LED output, so that way you can kind of like see your, or like an LED screen where you can see all your stuff, and you can actually tune it in to see how you want your like desired temperature. So basically there's a fan in here, it will suck the air out through the exhaust of your laptop and blow it out here. That's pretty much it. I haven't gotten the chance to use it as I just received it today, so I will definitely be exploring this option to see if it helps to improve the thermals on my computer. Well, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video of whatever I decide to do. Till then, ta-ta for now.